Hi, welcome today. I wanted to do kind of a side-by-side sound comparison between my two 8-string guitars. The first one that I got is from Agile guitars. It is the Chiral Parallax. Dual humbucker, 3-way toggle switch, 3 basic sounds. Both guitars have a tone control, which I'm very happy about because of the things that I use the guitars for. This one is the Strandberg Boden standard NX8. This one has a 5-way selector switch, which enables the humbucking pickups to be split on a couple of settings so that it will produce some pretty different sounds than this one will. This one has no coil split capabilities. So the main thing that I want to do is to satisfy my own curiosity, the basic sound comparisons first between the humbucking pickup combinations. So the 3 basic settings on each guitar. I'll be playing the same thing. The video will switch back and forth between guitars. And this is going to be a modified version of a song that I created not too long ago. Then the second comparison, I will more than likely put the Agile into the middle pickup combination for both pickups to be on, while I compare what the split coil sounds and the middle pickup sound compares with this one, and it'll be a little bit simpler, I think, basic example. I like the way both of them play. I like the way both of them sound. I'll say that first of all. This is mainly just to satisfy my curiosity. I think the Strandberg has slightly lower output pickups, and I might have to bump up the volume just a little bit in post-production, and I will include that down in the description box, below. So stay tuned. I have to go to the other side of the studio, set up, tune up, and play. Hope you enjoy it. Start with the bridge pickup, move to the middle, and then the neck. Now I'm going to do on this one just a playthrough on the dual humbucker setting. The other guitar I will do some changes on, but I'll kind of switch back and forth. So, right off the top, the Agile has hotter pickups. A little bit just geared towards more modern, maybe even some kind of heavy metal type thing. I think that would be a good estimation of what this guitar was kind of designed for. Can the Strandberg keep up with that? Yeah, you just have to add a little bit more gain, things like that if you wanted to. Clarity-wise, this is definitely clearer, more note definition with exactly the same settings. I was using a Fender black panel combo style amp plug-in, no effects. It had just a little bit of room reverb. I didn't want to color the sound any more than I could help. I wanted it to be as clean as I could, and that is kind of the amp that I usually start with, depending on the song that I'm trying to do. But that's kind of my starting point. I might vary from that occasionally. I'll go to a Marshall amp or a Vox or something like that if I want a little different type of tone in that sound. But usually I go with a Fender black panel type deal. So let me know down in the comment section, which did you like? I kind of like the clarity on this, but to be real honest, the Endure neck, while isn't a hindrance, it still feels weird to me. It still feels weird. I kind of like the looks of the rosewood fretboard over the maple fretboard. That's not a big deal to me. This one is more comfortable to play sitting on the couch, just kind of noodle practicing is what I do a lot of. This one is the one that will usually get into my hands first, unless I'm just playing a regular 6-string. But which did you like the sound of better, and why? Are you geared towards more metal? This would be the choice I would make firsthand. If you want a little bit more clarity and definition in the notes, this might be a better choice, especially if you're using high gain. I don't know. This one might get muddy. I haven't experienced that in my recordings so far. And I have done some heavier type sounds with this guitar. I really have. I like them both. I like them both. This one's lighter by about a pound, something like that. Overall, I like the looks of the Chiral Parallax from Agile. It has a little more style. This one's a little plainer, nothing wrong with that. Gorgeous flame maple veneer top on there. What do you think? What do you think? Looks? Sound? Let me know below. I want to thank you for watching today. If you haven't yet, please subscribe. Click the little bell so that you can be notified the next time I post a video. It could be some kind of comparison. It could be taking a first look at some musical item that first comes to me. It could be a more in-depth review as I get used to that item later on. It could be a music video where the Native American style flute gets the spotlight shown on it. Guitars, drums, the Rav type tongue drum, keyboards, those all quite often will get added to kind of the backing as an accompaniment for the flute to play over. Sometimes I'll play the flute just solo by itself, but I tend to prefer a little bit more engagement in my songs, a little bit more orchestration, shall we say. I want to thank you again for watching, and I hope that you have a fantastic day. Take care.